today we are going to learn about an article. We use article to know whether a specific or non-specific noun. There are three kinds of article: a or and the. We use these articles before an adjective or noun. So let's see where we can use this or how we can use this. Today, first article we'll see an, because it is quite easier than a and the. So let's see where do we use this. And we use these articles before a vowels. We know that there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So whenever any word starts with these vowels, before that we use this and. A, E, I, O or U. So let's see an example. So from A, if the word is apple, what do you see? What first alphabet do you see here? That is A. Here A is a vowel. So before apple we always say an. This is an apple. So here I have written 4 examples which is starting with vowels. Here also the first alphabet is E. So we'll write here an. Ice cream starts with I. So we'll write here an. Owl will start with O. So we'll write an. And umbrella. So for that also we'll write an. So the basic rule of using an is wherever the first alphabet of the word is vowel, we use an before it. Now let's see where do we use a or a. As I have mentioned here, there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. These are 5 vowels in an alphabet. So the rest words is called a consonant. So when the consonant comes, that means when a consonant comes first in a word, there we use a. For example, book, sheep, door. These are 3 examples. So in book, in word book, the first alphabet is not a vowel. So it is a consonant. When it is a consonant, we use a before book. A book. I have a book. I have a notebook. Like that we say. Sheep. Sheep word starts with S. S is also not a vowel. It is a consonant. So here also we write a. There is a white sheep, or that is a black sheep. Next is door. Door is also starts with a consonant D. So here also we write a. A door. That door is big, or that door is small. That door is made up of a plastic. So basic rule is whenever a word starts with a, e, I, o, u, there we have to use an. And a word starts with a consonant, there we have to use a. Also there is another rule of using a is whenever we are not talking about a specific thing, there we can use a or a. For example, there is a tree. So while telling you this example, or this is a tree. A tree can be anything. A tree can be a fruit tree, vegetable tree, flower tree. It is not a specific that I have mentioned. That's the reason I have used A. Because tree can be anything. There are various types of trees. But if I say this is but if I say that this is apple tree, so what will I use here? Apple, it starts with a vowel, so I have used an. So the second rule of using A is, if you do not want to mention about any specific object or thing, there you use a or a. The third rule of using A is, when you are telling something or you are using word or you are talking about that word, thing, object for the first time, there you use A. Today, for an example, I have a novel. So, I am talking to you about a novel for the first time. Or I have a drawing book. So, I am using that drawing book word for the first time. Or I am talking about that drawing book to you for the first time. So, that's the reason I used A. So, 3 rules for using A is, when you are talking about non-specific things, then you can use A. Second rule, before a consonant alphabet, you can use A. And third rule is, when you are talking about an object, thing for the first time, then you can use A. So today, out of the 3 articles, we learn about an and A. So at your home or at your place, you will see many things like furniture, your toys, your books. So whenever you mention or you talk about that books or about anything, you try to use these articles before it. Thank you.